are another year. We have a lot to be thankful for, especially a warm place to call home.
You know we love real estate and giving back to the community. This year, we found the perfect organization to partner with, Flower City Habitat for Humanity. Let's build Rochester one home at a time.
We see a world where everybody has a decent place to live. So that's what we're after. We're here to help people that want to work with us. The house behind me, 3 bedrooms, it's going to be an amazing home for a hard-working partner family. We're excited to see them move in probably this spring. So they're going to come along with us, learn how to build that house, and actually learn how to maintain it as well.
It sounds like you got a lot of facets of real estate covered in helping people and kind of helping the community grow as one, which I think is very important, not just to our area, but probably worldwide.
Absolutely. We're in 75 countries right now, really trying to make that vision statement of a world where everybody has a decent place to live come to fruition. That's what we work hard at every day. We're trying to do 10 houses a year. We did 10 houses as we finish up 2022. Sure. We're looking to do another 10 houses in 2023.
How does funding work for your organization?
It's a great question. The number one dollar that we're always looking after are what I call those philanthropic dollars. Those dollars that people want to donate that says, this mission speaks to me and I want to help support it with some donations.
One of the guiding principles of Rich Testa and Howard Hanna is to provide as much information possible regarding home ownership. Mm-hmm. And I see both organizations have really similar goals.
Absolutely. We want the same thing. We want to make sure that when that family moves into that house, they're going to thrive. It's so great to partner with great community-minded folks like yourself that help us fill that middle gap of in that fundraising space. So this is huge.
It's been wonderful getting to know a little bit more about the organization and how they build wonderful homes for this community that a lot of us are so proudly call home, and we're looking forward to helping you along the way.
Well, I'm honored to do the work that we get to do, and it's so rewarding when I get to meet companies like yours, offices like yours, that really take time out of their busy schedule to help the community as well. So you thank me, but I'm thanking you as well. Thank you.
Well, thank you.
So we wish you happy holidays and a healthy new year.
There's never been a better time to say,
cheers to living here.